Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to track investments on Sofi. Let's get straight into the video. First step, of course, is to log into your Sofi account. So just open the Sofi app or visit the Sofi website and log into your account using your email address and password. Next, you got to click on the dashboard or investments tab. Next, you want to view your investment portfolio, which includes account balance, investment holdings, performance metrics, and such. Next, you want to click on an individual investment to view its current value, historical performance, or you can view news and updates about that investment. Next, you can set up customizable alerts for price movements, earning announcements, or dividend payments. And next, you got to use Sofi's investment analytics tool, which includes portfolio analysis, risk management, and performance tracking. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to track investments on Sofi. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you find the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.